My name is Fateh and our today's topic is about augmented reality AR. Basically, augmented reality AR is the technology that superimposes digital information and images onto the real world using our devices, camera and display. Unlike virtual reality VR, which create a completely artificial environment, AR blends the digital and physical world to enhance the user's experience. Types of AR augmented reality. Marker-based AR, which uses a physical marker to trigger digital content. Markerless AR uses GPS, global positioning system, accelerometer and gyroscope to determine location and orientation. Superimposition based AR. Superimposition based AR augmented reality overlays digital information onto real world objects. Projection based augmented reality AR. Project digital information onto a surface. AR application. AR application augmented reality applications include gaming, for example Pokemon Go, education, for example interactive textbook and virtual lab, retail, for example virtual try-on and product demos, healthcare, for example surgical training and patient education, industrial, for example remote maintenance and quality control, navigation, for example Google Map, GPS, art and design, for example virtual gallery and interactive installations. These are some applications of AR. Now I'm going to discussing technology of AR, augmented reality. Displays, smart glasses, smartphones and tablets, cameras, RGB, depth sensors and stereo camera sensors like GPS, accelerometer and gyroscope and magnetometer. Software development kits like SDKs and a framework, for example AR Kit and AR Core. Benefits of AR: enhanced user experience, increased engagement and interaction, improved learning and retention, enhanced decision making and productivity, new business models and revenue streams. Elaborating on AI. Elaborating on AI include AR cloud. AR cloud, augmented reality cloud include persistent shared ARX augmented reality experiences, cloud-based storage and management of AR data, enable multi-user AR experiences. AR glasses, augmented reality glasses include smart glasses with see-through displays, hands-free and heads-up AR experiences. Application in enterprise, healthcare and gaming. AI augmented reality in healthcare, surgical training and planning, patient education and engagement, therapy and treatment, for example PTSD and phobias, medical visualization and simulation. These are some detail of augmented reality AR in healthcare. Now I am going to discussing AR in education. Interactive 3D textbook and material, virtual labs and simulations, enhanced student engagement and retention, personalized learning experiences. AR augmented reality in retail, virtual try-on and product demos, in-store navigation and product information, enhanced customer experience and engagement, increased conversions and sales. Development of AR augmented reality development. Programming languages like for example Java, Swift and C++ development framework. For example AR Kit and AR Core, 3D modeling and animation tool, for example Blender and Maya, AR software development kits, SDKs. Types AR applications, gaming like Pokemon Go, retail for example virtual try-on product demos, navigation for example Google Map, GPS, art and design for example virtual galleries, interactive installation, industrial for example remote maintenance and quality control, healthcare for example surgical training and patient education for example interactive textbook and virtual labs, gaming for example Pokemon Go, navigation for example Google Maps and GPS stands for global positioning system, art and design for example virtual galleries and interactive installation. Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is about smartwatches. Basically, smartwatches are wearables devices that offer various features beyond time telling such as fitness tracking, notifications and app support. Here are some key aspects of smartwatches. Smartwatch features: fitness tracking, monitoring physical activity, heart rate and other health metrics. Notification: receiving alerts from your phone such as text, email and social media apps. App support: downloading and using various apps like music players, GPS, navigators and games. Music control: controlling music playback on your phone or streaming music directly. Mobile payment: making payment using services like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Voice assistant: accessing voice assistant like Siri, Google Assistant or Alexa. GPS and navigation: using built-in GPS for location and navigation, tracking and navigation. Smart Watch Platform Wear OS, formerly Android Wear, Google's smartwatch platform WatchOS, Apple Watch smartwatch platform for Apple Watches, Tizen, Samsung's smartwatch platform for Galaxy watches, Fitbit OS, Fitbit's smartwatch platform for Fitbit smartwatch brands, Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch, Fitbit smartwatches, Google Wear OS smartwatches from various manufacturers, Hawaii Watch, Garmin Watch. Smartwatch brands: Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch, Fitbit smartwatches, Google Wear OS smartwatches from various manufacturers, Hawaii Watch, Garmin smartwatches. Smartwatch benefit, which include convenience, accessing information and controlling your wrist, accessing your phone and controlling your wrist, accessing information and controlling your phone from your wrist. Fitness motivation, tracking your physical activity and staying motivated. Style: wearing a fashionable and functional device. Health monitoring, tracking your heart rate, sleep and other health metrics. Here are some additional topics related to smartwatches: smartwatch design and user experience. Display technology, touch screen, OLED, AMOLED and other display technologies. User interface, navigation, gestures and user experience design. Watch faces, customization option for watch faces and complications. Strap and bands option. Materials, designs and compatibility. Smart watch hardware and performance. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon, Wear Apple S series and other processors. Memory and storage: RAM, ROM and storage capacity. Battery life, charging methods, battery life and power saving features. Sensors and tracking: accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate, GPS and other sensors. Smartwatch software and apps. Operating system: Wear OS, Watch OS, Tizen and other smartwatch OSes. Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Apple App Store and other app stores. Third-party apps: popular apps like Facebook, Instagram and Spotify. Customization and integration: integrating with other devices and services. Smartwatch health and fitness features. Fitness tracking, step tracking, distance tracking and exercise recognition. Health rate monitoring, continuous heart rate monitoring and alerts. GPS and location tracking. built-in GPS and location. Thank you. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fateh and our today's topic is about application software. Application software, productivity software. Types of application software include productivity software, Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, LibreOffice. Graphic and design software, Adobe and Creative Cloud, Sketch, Figma, etc. Multimedia software, VLC Media Player, Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Audacity. Gaming software, Steam, Origin, link unavailable. Security software, Norton Antivirus, MCAC and Malwarebytes. Utilities, Disk Cleanup, Task Manager and C Cleaner. Types of application software, word processing software, Microsoft Word, Google Documents. Spreadsheet software, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets. Presentation software, Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides. Database management software, Microsoft Access, MySQL. Web development software, Adobe Dreamweaver, Visual Studio Code. Application software development, programming languages, Python, Java and JavaScript. Software development lifecycle, planning, design and development, testing, deployment. Agile development methodologies, Scrum, Kanban and Lean. DevOps, combining the development and operation for efficient deployment. Here are some additional topics that are related to application software. Application software trend, cloud computing, software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, artificial AI and machine learning, integrating AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning ML into application, Internet of Things IoT, developing application for connected devices, mobile first development, prioritizing mobile devices in application design, low code development, using visual tools to simplify application development. Now I am going to discussing application software testing, unit testing, testing individual code component, integration testing, testing how component work together, system testing, testing the entire application, acceptance testing, testing to ensure requirements are met, regression testing, testing to ensure changes did not break existing functionality, application software deployment, waterfall methodology, linear deployment approach, agile methodology, iterative deployment approach, continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, automating deployment, DevOps, combining development and operation for efficient deployment, cloud deployment, deploying application to cloud environments, application software maintenance, bug fixing, resolving software issues, feature updates, adding new functionality, performance optimization, improving application efficiency, secure patching. Security patching include addressing security vulnerabilities, documentation, keeping user manuals and guides up to date. Application software platform, desktop application, software installed on personal computer, mobile application, software for mobile devices, iOS, Android. Web application, software accessed through web browsers, cloud application, software hosted and accessed online. Application software categories, business software for business management and operations, education software for learning and educational purposes, entertainment software, games, multimedia, and layer activities, productivity software for personal and professional security. Thank you.